Welcome back to the Greenhorn Travelers channel. Welcome to Paris, the city of lights, love, and timeless art. Today, we are embarking on a journey through one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, the Louvre Museum. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, or just someone looking to experience the heart of French culture, the Louvre promises to captivate your imagination. Nestled along the banks of the River Seine, the Louvre Museum isn't just an art museum, it's a journey through history. Originally built as a fortress by King Philip II in the late 12th century, the Louvre was meant to protect Paris from invasion. Over the centuries, it evolved from a medieval fortress into a magnificent royal palace, witnessing the rise and fall of French monarchies. It wasn't until the French Revolution that the Louvre transformed into a public museum, opening its doors in 1793 to showcase the art treasures of France to the world. As you step inside, the architecture itself tells a story. The Cour Carrée, a majestic square courtyard, showcases classical facades that hint at the Louvre's evolution over time. The Pavillon d'Horloge, with its iconic clock tower, stands as a reminder of the museum's enduring legacy. But it's the stunning glass pyramid, designed by architect I.M. Pei, that catches the eye. Completed in 1989, this modern masterpiece serves as the main entrance, blending the old with the new and welcoming millions of visitors each year. Inside the Louvre, the sheer scale of its collection is breathtaking. The museum is home to approximately 380,000 objects, with about 35,000 pieces on display. It's like stepping into a time machine that spans thousands of years and diverse cultures. The Louvre's collection is divided into 8 main departments, each a treasure trove of art and history. Our journey begins with the Near Eastern antiquities. Here, you'll find artifacts from some of the world's earliest civilizations, Mesopotamia, Persia, and the Levant. The Code of Hammurabi, an ancient Babylonian law code carved onto a stele, stands as one of the oldest deciphered writings in the world. And then, there are the awe-inspiring winged bulls of Assyria, guardians of ancient temples, their colossal presence transporting you to a time of mighty empires. Next, we step into the realm of pharaohs and pyramids, the Egyptian antiquities. This collection is a journey down the Nile, filled with mummies, sarcophagi, and tomb treasures. The seated scribe, with his lifelike expression, and the great Sphinx of Tanis are just a few highlights, each piece whispering stories of gods, kings, and the quest for immortality. From the land of the Nile, we move to the realms of ancient Greece and Rome. The Louvre's classical collection is simply legendary. Who can forget the Venus de Milo, the embodiment of beauty, or the winged victory of Samothrace, triumphantly poised on the prow of a ship? These masterpieces capture the essence of classical art, harmony, grace, and power. The Louvre's journey continues through time and across cultures to the Islamic art department. Spanning over 1,000 years of history, this collection includes delicate ceramics, richly woven textiles, and intricately detailed manuscripts. Each piece is a window into the rich and diverse cultures of the Islamic world, from Spain to India. Sculptures have a powerful way of bringing history to life. In the Louvre, you'll find everything from the fluid grace of Michelangelo's dying slave to the muscular strength of the bronze sculpture of Hercules. These works of art capture human emotions in marble and bronze, making them feel timeless and alive. If you're drawn to the elegance of everyday life in past centuries, the decorative arts department will captivate you. Imagine the opulent halls of French palaces, golden furniture, intricate tapestries, and exquisite jewelry. These objects once adorned the lives of the French elite, and today, they offer a glimpse into the luxury and artistry of past eras. Of course, no visit to the Louvre would be complete without admiring its paintings. Here, the walls come alive with the works of European masters. The enigmatic smile of the Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci draws millions of visitors each year, while Liberty Leading the People by Eugene Delacroix captures the spirit of revolution. And then, there's The Coronation of Napoleon by Jacques-Louis David, a grand canvas that immortalizes one of France's most iconic moments. With so much to see, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. The Louvre covers over 782,910 square feet, divided into three main wings: Dano, Richelieu, and Sully. Each wing offers a different aspect of the museum's vast collection. It's a good idea to grab a map, plan your route, or even join a guided tour to make the most of your visit. The Louvre isn't just about its permanent collection. The museum regularly hosts temporary exhibitions, shining a spotlight on specific themes, artists, or periods. These exhibitions offer fresh perspectives and deeper insights, making each visit to the Louvre a unique experience. After hours of exploring, take a break in one of the museum's cafes or restaurants. Whether you're sipping coffee in the glass-roofed Café Richelieu or enjoying a meal with a view of the pyramid, the Louvre offers a chance to relax and reflect on the art around you. Don't forget to visit the museum bookshop, where you can find books, posters, and souvenirs to take a piece of the Louvre home with you. As the sun sets and the lights of Paris begin to twinkle, the Louvre takes on a magical quality. The glass pyramid glows, reflecting the night sky, while the historic facades stand proudly against the backdrop of modern Paris. It's a sight that reminds us of the enduring power of art and culture, and of the stories that the Louvre will continue to tell for generations to come. The Louvre Museum, where history, art, and beauty converge in the heart of Paris. Whether it's your first visit or your 50th, each step through its halls is a journey through time, a celebration of human creativity, and an invitation to explore the world's greatest collection of art.